In this video, I'm going to do a full breakdown of everything that you receive with your Carex rolling walker and how to assemble it. There are only 3 steps and most of it comes put together already, so it's really simple to do, but let's hop into it and I can show you how it's done. So step number 1 is just attaching the handles. There's 2 handles that go on there. They just slide into place with different holes for the heights. Find the one that works for you and just slide in the bolt and screw it on with your hands. And now you're good to move on to the wheels. So there's 4 wheels with this. They go on just like the handles did. You slide them into place and you secure them with the bolts. And all this can be done by hand. There are no tools that you need to use. So it's really easy to do. It takes about 15 minutes to get the handles and all the wheels in place. And now on to the final step, which is just securing that backrest so you can sit on this or the front support, whatever you want to use it for. And they just slide into place and then pop in with pins. Really easy to do. And now just like that, the whole walker is assembled and ready to use. This is going to be what the final product looks like. So if you or your loved ones is struggling to get around the house and just needs a little help with mobility, this is a great affordable walker that's easy to put together and overall super sturdy. I think it can hold up to like 350 pounds, so it should be able to support whatever weight that you need. This gets 2 thumbs up from me.